أربعين حسيني يا أبا عبد الله.
Assalamu alal Husayn wa ala Ali ibn al Husayn wa ala aulad al Husayn wa ala ashab al Husayn alayhi salam. Allahumma salli ala Muhammad wa ali Muhammad wa ajjal farajah. The word Arbaeen is defined as the number 40, and the Arbaeen of Imam Husayn alayhi salam is the 40th day after his martyrdom. It was on this day the head of Imam Husayn alayhi salam was released from the possession of enemy Yazid and delivered to Iraq to be buried with the rest of his body. On this day, Sayeda Zainab Salamullah alayha, the sister of Imam Husayn alayhi salam, and the remainder of his family all traveled from Damascus to Iraq. Every year on Arbaeen, more than 24 million pilgrims of various faith visit the shrine of Imam Husayn alayhi salam to pay tribute to him for his services for mankind. Iraq making this event the world's largest annual human gathering in the history. Fortunately, last year I also got the chance to visit the shrine of Imam Husayn alayhi salam and of Arbaeen walk. Whatever I had seen and felt during this journey of love, I want to express my feelings here. That this walk starts from the holy shrine of Imam Ali alayhi salam, Najaf, towards Karbala. Millions of people walk 80 kilometers for 3 to 4 days, the largest peaceful gathering in the world with free services. Blessed are those who walk, more blessed are those who serve. The walk of Arbaeen, every step, every tent, every pole, and every kilometer to Abba Abdullah is a lesson, a chance, a struggle, an honor for contemplation to renew our allegiance to him. There are a lot of lessons to learn from this spiritual walk. Arbaeen is a procession in which people participate regardless of their profession and social status. There is no one who asks about your religion or sect. Every pilgrim walking to Karbala is honorable and treated like royalty. No doubt, Arbaeen is a revolution. It is a revolution to demonstrate the whole world that Islam is a religion of peace, love, and care for others. It is an occasion where one can witness doctors and physicians are serving free. Scholars are sitting on the sand and guiding the youth. Poor people are feeding the hungry, and the sick people are serving the healthy. It is an occasion where one can witness women are walking with pride and dignity despite of being exhausted. Children are waiting to serve the pilgrims of Abba Abdullah Husayn alayhi salam during the Arbaeen walk. In short, this is the journey of love. When after the walk of 3 or 4 days, they reaches the Karbala's border, who welcomes them? Abbas alayhi salam cried out, "O servant of Abba Abdullah Husayn, welcome to Karbala." May Allah bless us with the ziyarat of Imam Husayn alayhi salam in this world, and with the pleading of Imam Husayn alayhi salam at the day of judgment. Ilahiya.
أربعين حسيني يا أبا